quick video. Can you guys help me? Because I don't get why this thing is not working. It happened like 2 days ago. Sorry. And like it won't turn on. Like I don't get it. The last time like I was having some trouble, I turned it on and it kept shaking and vibrating and it just shut off. Look. Look. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Look. It won't turn on. So if you guys could help me, yes. If not, well, I can just buy a new one. But I don't want to. I want you guys to help me. And yeah, that is it for today. Bye.